Now whenever a book is created, I want to display a message on the index page here to show what just happened. So something like an alert that a book has been created. In order to do that, we would have to pass something from the handler of create to the handler of the index page. So how do you do that? Well, Microsoft has built a feature specifically for this to make it super easy. Let's see how that works. Let me close the application here and we will go to the create page model. So create.cshtml.cs and right here we'll create a property prop. This will be a string. Let's call this message. Now on top of this we'll have to add an attribute called Tempdata. Now what we will do is once the book has added successfully on the post, before redirecting, we will set the message to book has been created successfully. Okay, this looks good. Let's save this. Then let's go to the index page model and here we'll have to create the exact same property. So we'll do prop string message and we'll have to add temp data. Now you need to make sure that the name here is exactly same as the name here. Okay, so this looks good. So now you might be wondering, what is this temp data? This temp data will tell Razor page where do you want the properties backing values to be stored. So this message would be stored inside the temp data and this will be retrieved inside the index. Now this temp data works with MVC as well, but it is more complicated with MVC application, but it is super easy with Razor pages as you will see. Once we have put the temp data inside both the page model, the only thing that is left is to consume that inside the index page. So inside the index page, what we can do is right after the book list here, we will check at if and we'll say model.message. So if the message is not equal to null, what we will do is we'll create a div, we'll give it some bootstrap classes of alert, alert info, and alert dismissible, and we'll give it a role of alert. Now within here, let's add a button and give it a type of button and give it a class of close and we'll give it data dismiss is equal to alert. These are some of the designings that I'm doing, and area label, let's make it close. Within here we'll add a span of area hidden is equal to true, and inside the span here I'll do ampersand times. Now the only thing left here is to display the message, so we'll do that after the button, and here we'll do model.message. Let's save this and let's run our application. So right here, let me redirect again to the book list, and on the index we do not see anything right now. Let's create a new book, book Sleepy Bear. Let's give it some ISBN. Sleepy Bear is the author. Let's create this. Great, we see a nice notification that book has been created successfully. And the best part is, if you refresh the page, this notification goes away. So Microsoft has implemented this functionality only to display the error messages, and it is super easy. Now in the next video, let's add buttons for delete and edit so that we can edit the books that have been created.